preparation is key so that when I get out there, I can just focus on performing and having fun and not worry about the little things. When the ocean is truly alive, all of your senses are bursting because everything is so intense. You could hear sounds that remind you of avalanches coming down. You could feel your body shaking out of fear and because of the vibration that the water lays into the ocean. I'm constantly checking the clock, timing it with when the swell should arrive, as well as the tide. There's so many things that need to line up, but when they do, that's when the ride of a lifetime comes in. And if I could play my cards just right, I'll be in the right place at the right time to match power with power.